You would be amazed to see what happens when you sprinkle just 1 teaspoon of this natural ingredient on your plants. Suddenly, hundreds of flowers seem ready to burst into bloom, and the secret is simple ground cumin. Take 1 liter of water and add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. As you mix it, remember that for flowering plants, potassium is one of the most important nutrients because it helps support bud formation and flower production. Ground cumin contains approximately 37 milligrams of potassium per teaspoon, making it a useful natural addition to your gardening routine. Let the mixture sit for a few minutes, then pour it around the base of your flowering plants. As the soil absorbs the solution, the potassium helps support blooming while other natural minerals contribute to stronger roots and healthier growth. Now prepare another liter of water with 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Mix well and strain the liquid. Pour it into a spray bottle and gently spray both sides of the leaves. This allows plants to absorb nutrients through their foliage and helps keep leaves healthy. Use this method every 2 to 3 weeks on roses, hibiscus, petunias, marigolds, and other flowering plants. With regular care, you may notice more buds, stronger growth, and a garden filled with beautiful blooms. Happy gardening!